Distributed operating system. This type of operating system is designed to share its work load over multiple servers. Thus, a distributed OS has a decentralized architecture. A distributed OS shares data and resources among its multiple servers to get maximum efficiency. Most reservation systems are distributed operating system. Example: Unix, Linux, DCE, etc. Now, come to operating system means types based on the type of interface. An operating system works as per instruction of a user. The way in which user communicate with the computer is called an interface. These can be categorized in two categories: command line interface CLI and interactive operating system interface. Command line interface. A command line interface is an older style of operating system where user type in command using keyboard. Computer normally display a prompt on the screen where user can type the desired command. Example of this type of operating system is DDS, Unix, etc. Interactive operating system interface. The interactive operating system allow user to give command without typing, that is just by pointing or touching. These can be categorized in two categories: graphical user interface GUI and touch screen interface. Graphical user interface are visual interface in which instead of typing in command, the user can use a mouse to point and click object on the screen. Its main feature are windows, icons, menus and pointers, which make these operating system interactive in nature. These provide graphical user interactive interface to facilitate move and easy interaction to the user. Examples are Windows, Mac operating system. Next, touch interface operating system. These operating systems are also interactive in nature and provide access via touch on screen. Touch screen technology allow people to use their finger to select icon and option straight from the device screen. Modern portable devices such as mobile phone, PDA and tablet, modern car dashboard, modern cockpits, etc. are the example of touch screen technologies. Come to commonly used operating systems. Linux. Linux is the name of a popular computer operating system. It is the most famous example of free software and open source development, as it is not only freely available but also its underlying sources is available to all and anyone can freely openly use it, modify it and redistribute it. The Linux kernel was written originally by a Finnish university student, Linus Torvalds. Linux is one very popular operating system supported by many big manufacturers and vendors. Linux can be downloaded from website also. Next, Windows. Microsoft Windows is the name of the several families of GUI based operating system by Microsoft. Microsoft first introduced an operating system environment named Windows in November 1985 in response to the growing internet in graphical user interface. Microsoft Windows come to dominate the world personal computer market, overtaking Mac OS, which had been introduced previously. The most recent client version of Windows is Windows 13. BOS, Bharat Operating System Solution. BOS, Bharat Operating System Solution. Linux is an Indian distribution of GNU Linux based on the Debian. It consists of the Linux operating system, kernel, Office application software suite, Bhartiya OO Internet SS software, Firefox web browser, Thunderbird email, Pidgin chat and file sharing converter and multimedia application. The desktop environment and application have been localized to enable the uses of an Indian language. Next is Solaris. The Solaris operating system, usually known simply as Solaris, is a free Unix-based operating system introduced by Sun Microsystem in 1992 as the successor of Sun OS. Now, mobile operating systems. Some of the popular mobile operating systems are Android. Android OS is a Linux based platform for mobile phone. Android was released under the Apache V2 open source license. Symbian. Symbian OS is an operating system for mobile phone primarily used on Nokia advanced or data enabled smartphone. The Symbian OS is designed for the specific requirement of 2G and 3G mobile phones. Windows Phone. Windows Phone 7 and 8 are mobile operating system developed by Microsoft and are the successor of its Windows mobile platform, although incompatible with it. Apple iOS. iOS, known as iPhone OS, is Apple mobile operating system. It is exclusively for Apple smart device like iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch, etc. RIM BlackBerry OS. BlackBerry OS used in all BlackBerry devices such as BlackBerry phone and playbooks is developed by the Research in Motion RIM, a Canadian global telecommunication company. BlackBerry latest OS is called QNX, which is a set to replace the older BlackBerry OS. Last topic is file system. A file system is a part of operating system that is responsible for organizing and retrieving file from a storage device. A file system performs these functions: creating a structure on a storage device to store file, specifying file naming convention and path to a file through the structure of directory, and provide a way to access retrieve storage file. Now this is about chapter 4. Your chapter 4 is now completed.